Hannah, from the moment we met and you told me that I wasn't 5 feet tall, I knew that I wanted you in my life. We obviously had a less than ideal start to our relationship with me leaving for a little bit, but I think that trial is what made us this strong. Because while I will always prefer to be right by your side, I know that even 6,304 miles isn't enough distance to stop either of us from feeling the love that we share. I promise to always make you feel safe, wanted, and loved. You're so amazing. You're my soulmate, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.
Now, growing up, Hannah and I frequently talked about our weddings, partners, futures, planned it all out. And I always tried to imagine the person I thought Hannah would be with. I envisioned someone who was smart, motivated, empathetic, beautiful, gotcha girl, and who could handle a lot of shopping trips. A lot. So when I first met Regina, I quickly realized she held all of those traits and more.
Growing up, I always dreamed of my wedding. I pictured myself in a huge princess-style cupcake gown, walking down the aisle to my person. As I grew up and grew into the woman that I am today, the picture that I had in my head changed a bit. Clearly, I am not standing in front of you now wearing a huge sparkly ball gown, and you're not in a suit and tie. Needless to say, this is so much better. I never could have pictured something this beautiful. Sometimes the best things in life are those that you never saw coming. This is 100 times better than anything I ever imagined, and you are 100 times more stunning than I ever could have known.
Hannah and Regina, I would like you to turn and face your guests just for a minute or two. Just look around. Look at all of them. Look at all of these people that have come to see you. I see some high fives out there. I see people very happy. Look at all your support. And at this point, let's forget any emotional baggage that's happened during this little process. The curveballs have been thrown and some have been hit, some were missed. Forget it for right now. Right now is your time. It's your time, Hannah. Regina, it's your time. I want to let you both know how very much I love you. I love you. Regina, I love you so much. You were so part of this family. The first time we did that FaceTime, and you were in the sand. There was no grass, there was nothing, and you didn't look like this at all. You looked like you were all armored up. But just know that you're loved.
Hannah, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
With the pledge to love you today.
With the pledge to love you today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Always.
Always.
And forever.
And forever.
Gina,
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
With the pledge.
With the pledge.
To love you today.
To love you today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Always.
Always.
And forever.
And forever.
You may kiss. Yay!